Hello, friends! What if you could stay strong and mobile well into your 80s just by changing what you eat? Did you know after the age of 65, most people lose up to 8% of their muscle every decade, a condition called sarcopenia. But with the right foods, you can slow it down or even reverse it completely. Now, imagine wanting to play with your grandkids but feeling too tired to keep up. Or feeling like your legs are made of jello when you climb the stairs. Frustrating, right? Sadly, that's the reality for many seniors facing muscle loss. But here's the good news. Muscle decline is preventable. And the best part is, you don't need to drain your savings on medications or spend half your week at the doctor's office. All it takes is adding a few powerful, nutrient-rich foods to your daily diet. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 essential foods seniors should consume daily to maintain and even enhance their muscle strength, especially after 65. These aren't pricey or hard-to-find items. They're everyday foods that, when chosen wisely, can do wonders for your body. But that's not all. We'll also show you the science behind why they work. So stick around to the end, because the number 1 food on this list will blow your mind and taste buds. Now, let's jump right into the powerful muscle-strengthening foods you need to have in your diet. Number 7, lean meats. You know how a good pot of chicken stew isn't complete without the chicken? Well, our bodies are the same. They need the right fuel to stay strong, and lean meats are one of those powerhouse ingredients. Think of your muscles like little engines. To keep them running strong, especially as we age, they need protein. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are packed with the proteins your muscles crave. They help fight off weakness and fatigue, keeping you active and energized. According to research by the National Institute of Health, a diet rich in protein from lean meats combined with some good old-fashioned exercise can help you build lean muscle mass and strength. Trust me, you want to be strong enough to lift those grandkids and carry the groceries without needing a break every 5 steps. I mean, who wants to be the grandma or grandpa who's always playing catch-up? So, here's how it works. Lean meats are full of essential amino acids, which are basically the building blocks your muscles need to grow and repair. It's like giving your muscles a fresh pair of sneakers. They'll be running like new in no time. And the best part? You don't need to be a master chef to cook lean meat. Grilled chicken breast, turkey sandwiches on whole grain bread, or lean beef stir-fry with veggies are all delicious and nutritious options. And if you love traditional meals, a hearty lean meat stew packed with vegetables is both comforting and great for your muscle health. Here's the deal. Aim for 3 to 4 servings of lean protein each week. And don't be shy. Mix things up, try new recipes, and have a little fun in the kitchen. Your muscles will greatly appreciate that. Number 6, eggs. Eggs are often called nature's multivitamin, and for good reasons. They're packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals that help keep your muscles strong. And I'm not just talking about any eggs. I mean the kind that can actually boost muscle mass even after 65. Here's a fun fact. Did you know eggs can help increase your skeletal muscle mass? A study posted in the National Institute of Health found that women over 55 who ate about 8 grams of lactic fermented egg whites daily for 8 weeks, along with regular exercise, saw a significant increase in muscle mass and strength, especially in their limbs. Here's the best part. Their knee strength improved dramatically, making everyday activities like walking and climbing stairs much easier. You see, eggs are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. As a senior, you should aim to consume about 1 to 2 eggs per meal to get the right amount of protein. Doing so will help you maintain muscle mass well into your golden years. Eggs are also rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a major role in muscle protein synthesis. This process helps your body build new muscle tissue, which is essential for staying strong and mobile as you age. And the best part? Eggs are super versatile. You can scramble, boil, or make an omelet with eggs. For something different, try fermented eggs. Boil and peel the eggs, then place them in a jar with freshly sliced peppers, garlic, peppercorns, and herbs. Cover with a salt water solution and let it sit out of direct sunlight for a week or two. You can also try scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast for breakfast, or add hard-boiled eggs to your salads for an extra protein boost. Number 5, fatty fish. Did you know that muscle-strengthening foods like fatty fish, especially salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help boost your muscle mass and strength? According to a study by the National Institute of Health, consuming fatty fish at least twice a week can lead to significant gains in muscle mass and even improve walking speed. Here's how it works. The omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish, especially EPA and DHA, help reduce inflammation and promote muscle health. By cutting down inflammation, omega-3s create the perfect environment for muscle growth and repair, which is super important for building and maintaining muscle mass. This is especially great for seniors, who sometimes feel like their muscles are taking longer vacations than they are. In fact, regular consumption of fatty fish rich in omega-3s can help support muscle function and strength in seniors, making it a valuable addition to their diet. Now, let's take the story of Elizabeth, a 72-year-old who was struggling with muscle weakness and fatigue. After adding more fatty fish to her meals, she noticed a huge boost in muscle strength and mobility. She started taking long walks again and even joined a local yoga class. Elizabeth credits fatty fish with giving her a whole new lease on life. To incorporate fatty fish into your diet, try grilling salmon with herbs and spices, or adding tuna to your favorite salad. Here's a simple guide. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week, and add other omega-3 rich foods like walnuts and chia seeds to your meals. This way, you'll build strong muscles in no time, and maybe, just maybe, you'll be flexing harder than Elizabeth. Number 4, quinoa. Just like eggs, quinoa is another superfood for seniors, packed with nutrients that help keep your muscles strong and healthy. Think of it as tiny, edible weights for your muscles, except you don't have to lift them, just eat them. Here's the fun part. Quinoa has been shown to help prevent or reduce muscle atrophy, which is when muscles weaken and shrink, something many seniors experience as they age. According to research posted on Science Direct, the world's leading source for scientific research, quinoa's natural compounds may help repair muscles, supporting the building and maintenance of strong muscles. Quinoa is equally a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. But that's not all. It's also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients work together to help support muscle function and recovery, especially for seniors. So, how can you add quinoa to your diet to improve muscle strength? It's easier than you think. You can toss quinoa into salads, stir fries, or use it as a tasty side dish. Try making a quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables, nuts, and seeds for a nutrient-packed meal. You can even use quinoa flour to bake things like bread and muffins. And the best part? Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it a great option for those who are gluten sensitive. Quick check-in. Are you learning something new? If so, kindly give this video a thumbs up and comment on your favorite food so far. Let's help more seniors take charge of their strength. Number 3, dairy products. Dairy products are like the secret sauce to keeping your muscles strong and your bones from getting all wobbly. Simple foods like milk, cheese, and unsweetened yogurt are packed with protein, calcium, and other nutrients that help build and maintain strong muscles. According to research from the Journal of Applied Physiology, dairy products can help stimulate muscle growth and repair, making them a must-have for seniors who want to stay active and independent. Take Peter, for example, a 70-year-old who thought strength training was for people half his age. But after adding dairy products to his diet and starting a workout routine, he was lifting weights like a pro. Okay, maybe not like a pro, but he was definitely getting stronger. And the best part? Peter no longer needed a cane to walk. So, how can you add dairy to your diet? Let's get creative. Pour milk over your oatmeal cereal. Snack on cheese and crackers. Or whip up a smoothie with yogurt and fruit. Remember, seniors, dairy is like your muscles' best friend. It helps them grow stronger so you can keep lifting, walking, and living life to the fullest. Number 2, legumes. Legumes like beans, lentils, and peas are nutritional powerhouses that can greatly benefit seniors looking to maintain or boost muscle strength after 65. These plant-based foods are loaded with protein and provide the essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance and growth. So, if you're looking to fuel your muscles the plant-based way, legumes have you covered. According to the National Institute of Health, legumes are a rich source of protein, providing the necessary building blocks for muscle growth and repair. For instance, cooked lentils provide about 17 grams of protein per cup, making them a fantastic choice for a protein-packed diet. Let's face it, as we get older, our muscles can start acting like stubborn teenagers who refuse to do their chores. This is due to a natural decline in muscle building efficiency. But by adding legumes to your meals, you can help reverse this process, giving your body the nutrients it needs to keep your muscles healthy and strong. Moreover, legumes are super high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, contributing to overall well-being. Plus, adding legumes into your diet is simple and versatile. Try adding black beans to salads, enjoying lentil soups, or making chickpea-based dishes like hummus. These options not only boost your meal's flavor, but also provide the protein needed to support muscle strength. However, it's important to note that while legumes are great, they may lack some amino acids found in animal proteins. To ensure a complete protein profile, pair legumes with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa. This combination gives your body all the essential nutrients needed for muscle maintenance. Number 1, nuts. Did you know that something as simple as a handful of nuts can help you maintain strong muscles well into your golden years? That's right. Nuts aren't just tasty snacks. They're loaded with nutrients that support muscle health, especially for seniors over 65. Nuts are rich in plant-based proteins, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium and vitamin E. These nutrients are key for muscle maintenance and repair. In fact, research shows that eating more nuts is linked to greater muscle mass. So, adding them to your diet can help preserve muscle strength as you age. Here's the interesting part. A study on Science Direct equally found that eating more nuts as part of a healthy diet is linked to higher skeletal muscle mass. This means that nuts don't just support muscle health, they actively contribute to muscle growth and maintenance. Take Tony, for example, a 68-year-old retiree who started adding a variety of nuts to his meals and snacks. Over time, he noticed better energy levels and improved muscle tone, which helped him stay active and enjoy activities like gardening and walking his dog. Rumor has it that even his grandkids are having trouble keeping up now. So, how can you easily add nuts to your diet? Try tossing a handful of almonds, cashews, or walnuts into your morning oatmeal, sprinkling chopped pecans on a salad, or enjoying a small serving of mixed nuts as an afternoon snack. Just remember to go for the unsalted varieties to keep your sodium level in check. Now, here are some bonus tips you can easily add to your daily routine and diet to keep your muscles strong and healthy as you age. First, make sure you're drinking enough water. Staying hydrated helps your body absorb and deliver nutrients from these superfoods to your muscles more effectively, and it also helps prevent muscle cramps. You can equally add plant-based foods like tofu and tempeh to your meals. They're both excellent sources of protein and can be used in a variety of dishes. Tofu works particularly well in stir-fries, while tempeh is great in wraps or salads for a hearty protein boost. Greek yogurt is another smart choice. It contains more protein than regular yogurt, making it a better option for muscle repair and growth. Just a bowl with some fresh fruit or nuts can be both tasty and great for your muscles. Don't forget about seeds like pumpkin and chia seeds. They may be small, but they're loaded with protein and magnesium, which help build and maintain strong muscles. They're also super versatile. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, mix them into yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, lettuce, and Swiss chard are also a must-have for muscle health. They contain essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which all play a major role in supporting muscle function and keeping you active as you age. There you have it, dear seniors. By adding these superfoods to your diet, you can boost your muscle strength, mobility, and overall health. Remember, it's never too late to make healthy changes. Start incorporating these foods into your meals today and take the first step toward a stronger, healthier you. Please leave a like and share with your loved ones so they can also take the necessary steps toward maintaining stronger muscles. Want to stay connected to the latest and greatest health tips? Let's start a community of strong, smart, and thriving seniors. Subscribe now and be a part of it. And tell us, what topics do you want to see next? Leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.